Good morning. I am Adira as second sem teaching students. Today International Yoga Day. Every year the International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21 June. The day is dedication to promote the health and well-being of people through yoga. It is any occasion to raise awareness about the numerical benefits of yoga. The word yoga itself beginning to join a unit. It is a time of reflect on the union of the minds and body, thought and action, resistance and fulfilling and harmony between human and natural. Celebrating Yoga Day aims to highlight the importance of yoga is maintaining a healthy body and mind and in improving one's overall well-being. The year people are according the global will celebrate 10th anniversary of the International Yoga Day. Yoga Day is expected to be a huge assessing with a range of activities and even organized according to country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will host the International Yoga Day 2040 in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir on the bank of Dan Lake. More than 3,000 4,000 people are expected to attend the event. The Unit Nation established the International Day of Yoga on 11 December 2040 to raise awareness about the main benefits of yoga and to promote it. It has way of a health itself.
ഞങ്ങൾ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന വീഡിയോകൾ മുടങ്ങാതെ കിട്ടാൻ ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്ത്